Good afternoon, everyone. I am here presenting the answers of the activities that I give to my students. That is on harmonic sequence. Okay, so in the harmonic sequence, we can use the arithmetic sequence formula that is a sub n minus is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. I chose this method because dealing with fractions is complicated, especially to those students who are afraid of numbers, no? In mathematics particularly. All they have to do that all their final answers will be changed into harmonic form, which is the reciprocal of the arithmetic sequence. So the given problem in letter A, where most of the students obtained a mistake, the first term of the harmonic sequence is 1/2, -1, then -1/4, then we have -1/7. What is asked here is the 75th term. So could you imagine if you will do the manual computation in this problem, how long would you take it to arrive to your answer? So the first thing is to find the common difference because D is not given, but we have our first term, a sub 1, and we are looking for the 75th term. So to solve, our a sub 75 is our required. Our n is 75. Our a sub 1, find the reciprocal of 1/2. That is equal to 2. So the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2. Now you are ready to solve for your D. Your a sub n, your a sub 75 is equal to 2 plus 75 minus 1 times D. Okay? So we have here 2 plus 74 times D. But remember, we have not solved for our D because D is necessary to arrive to the correct answer. So solving for D, so D here is equal to the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 and the reciprocal of -1 is -1. No? So -1. So D is equal to -1 minus 2. Our answer is -3. So our answer is -3. So -1 minus 2 is -3. That is our D. Therefore, instead of writing D here, we will erase D by replacing it by -3. So that is enclosed in parentheses to note that that is going to be multiplied by your 74. So you have 2 plus 74 times -3 is equal to -222. You know what's the answer for some of the students? It's 224 because they fail to consider the negative sign in the process of solving. So here, our answer is 220 because -222 is just like this one is equal to 2 minus 222, and that is equal to -220. So to write the harmonic term, we are going to this is negative, we're going to get the reciprocal of -220, which is now 1 over negative 220. So this is now our answer as our 75th term of the sequence in the harmonic sequence. Okay, that's for number 1. Now for number 3, this is the given in number 3. So allow me to erase this one because we will solve number 1 and number 3 for your answer so that you can compare it with my work here, especially those who were not able to get it correctly in the making of in the solving your answers. So letter C is given. We have 1/2, then we have 2/3, then we have 1, 2. What is asked here is the 70th term. So our A sub 1 is equal to 1/2. Our A sub 2 is equal to 2/3. So we are asked to find the 70th term of the sequence. We need to solve the difference, our D, but we need to consider the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2, and the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. So to consider the difference, we have 3/2 minus 2. So since we have a dissimilar fraction, we need to change it to similar fractions. So we have 3/2 minus having a denominator of 2. So we have 4 over 2, that is equal to negative 2. So what is 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Copy the denominator, so we have negative 1/2. So this is now our D. Solving for the 70th term, A 70th term. So let us try to solve it using the formula A sub 17 is equal to A sub 1 plus 17 minus 1 times the difference of negative 1/2. Okay? Negative 1/2. So our A sub 1 is equal to 2. That is using the value of the reciprocal of the given harmonic sequence. This is in the form of the arithmetic sequence plus 16 times negative 1/2. Now, 2 plus, what is 16 times negative 1? That is negative 16 over 2, because this is understood to have a denominator of 1. And negative 16 divided by 2 is equal to negative 8. So, 2 positive times negative is negative. That is 8. So 2 minus 8 is negative 6. Therefore, the reciprocal of negative 6 is 1 over negative 6. Our final answer now of our A sub 17 is negative 1 over 6. So this is our answer for number 3. For those who are not able to get, try to view this again to prepare yourself for the summative exam. So that's all for this given lesson, because those are the two most unanswered problem in the given activity. So I believe you need to review your knowledge and skills in dealing with integers, particularly in the multiplication of signed numbers. Thank you and good afternoon. Shout out na ako ang mga estudyante sa mathematics, sa JECMAT, at mga maestra nga ako usab nga mga sakop sa mathematics nga nagatudlo na usab sila karon. O ginaot, you will like me on Facebook and my YouTube channel, so I would be able to post more lessons in mathematics to help you and your students understand better. If ever you have questions, please don't hesitate to post it in YouTube, and I will deal that one the moment I'll be able to see that. And please comment, of course, because I want you to be known also, and I would like to shout out your names in my blogs in my Facebook account. Thank you very much and good afternoon. Happy Friday, everyone.